Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am showing you some inexpensive Christmas artwork I made. You will need some gift bags from Dollar General, and these are the fabric gift bags. You get 2 of them for $2.50. You will need some inexpensive 5x7 frames. Mine came from Dollar Tree. Your scissors, hot glue gun, glue sticks, a Sharpie, some black paint, and a paintbrush. These are very simple to make and inexpensive, so just take your frame carefully apart. So just take your frame apart and just set the pieces aside. And you're going to want to take the fabric gift bag and you're just going to cut down the center of each side so that you have one long strip of material. And this material may look familiar to you because I did a cute Santa wreath with the other one the other day. So I decided to make sure and use all my fabric because I didn't want anything to go to waste. So I was trying to come up with something to make, so I decided I would just do some framed artwork. And also right now, if you look on Target's website, Hearth and Hand by Magnolia or with Magnolia has some of these out that are like $9.99 for one that say Joy. So we can make these a lot cheaper for around $2 is all it cost me. So here I'm just tracing the 5x7 cardboard frame and then carefully cut it out. And if you want, you can use stencils, you can use stickers, you can freehand, whatever works best for you. I am left-handed, so anytime I paint, I am so awkward. So mine didn't turn out perfect, but that's okay. I said my letters, I was going for like the Ray Dunn inspired look. So, like I said, I'm not very good at painting, but here's my word. I just chose the word joy. You can choose any kind of Christmas word you want to write on yours. So I just wrote it with a Sharpie first, and now I'm just going over it with some black acrylic paint. And you'll want a stiff brush if you're painting yours. And I am not very good at painting. If you haven't checked Country Charm by Tracy, she does some wonderful artwork. She paints so good, so you'll have to check out her channel if you've never checked it out before. But here I just have the word joy painted. Make sure you try to center it up when you get ready to put it on the fabric. And then also when you hot glue your fabric on, make sure you get all the glue strings from off of the glass. And so next you will just take the fabric and carefully put it back in the frame and make sure and smooth it out. And I also thought, like, if you have some washable paint, you could do a child's handprint and maybe like write Merry Christmas and the year under it, and I think that would be a good gift to a grandparent. So I thought that was also a neat idea to use these gift bags. But just carefully put the frame back together and you are ready to put it on display now. So I made 2 of these tonight, and the second one, I used the second bag that came with it. Had the Santa Claus on the front, and then the back one was just a solid color tan burlap bag. So for the burlap bag, I just did the same steps as the one with Joy, but I used these cute snowflakes from Dollar Tree. And so I just traced my 5x7, cut it out, and now I put a dot of hot glue on the center of the snowflake, and I am just hot gluing it carefully onto the center of the fabric. Now you can use whatever kind of decoration you want, but I thought this is something quick and simple, and anyone can do this, and it looks like you really went to a lot of effort, which it's so easy to do. So just carefully hot glue your fabric back onto your frame and be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. And so just try to make sure it's all smoothed out, and then you're ready to put your frame back together. And Dollar Tree has some of these frames in gold, and they also have the darker wood look too. So there were 3 choices today when I picked up mine. And so just put your frame back together, and you can also, these can be hung on the wall, or you can, sit it on a bookshelf. And this was my daughter's favorite. She wanted me to keep the snowflake right there. So I think we're going to leave it right there. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Y'all are so sweet, and I hope everyone has a wonderful night.